Organic Beauty, and I'm here with my husband since he's always trying to be in the video. Say hi.
Hey.
All right, so we are going to have a challenge. This challenge will be a pizza challenge. We're going to see who's going to make the best pizza, right? Of course, you guys can't taste it, but based on how it looks, you could be like, I preferred that one over this one. So this is going to be on our personal social media. You can follow me on Organic Beauty if you like, and Instagram. That's the only one that I have. But yeah, so if you have any questions, comment below. So today we are going to use this traditional crust pizza. I got this from BJ's. So we'll be using that as the base for the crust. Following with Tomato and Basil by Portoli, I believe that's the name of it, but that's also from BJ's. You can get like a 3-pack, you know what I'm saying? Before that, does this go on before that?
Mm-hmm.
This goes on before that. Okay, this is the olive oil. This is extra virgin. I think we probably got that from BJ's as well. And you can use whatever brand you want for that. So, crust, olive oil, sauce, cheese. This is also from BJ's. BJ's, hit me up. I always be shouting you guys out. All right, this is mozzarella cheese. This is the only cheese that we want on there, but you could be creative and you could put any type of cheese you want, but this is just our personal preference. And last and not least, pepperonis. So you can get these pepperonis from anywhere. I believe we got this from Walmart. We used it before, so we saved it and just put it in a sandwich bag. I always put stuff in sandwich bags, but that's the pepperoni. So we're gonna get started. I'm gonna fast forward this video and hook back up with you guys after. All right, I'm so hyped up about this. Are you?
Yep.
There you have it. Oh. Hey guys, we forgot one thing before we get into it. Seasoning. Oh my gosh, you almost forgot the seasoning. So we got some Morton's Natural Sea Salt. If you want salt. Black pepper. This is the whole black pepper. So it has a little grinder inside. BJ's. Crushed red Crushed red peppers. Try to say that 3 times in a row fast. And garlic. You can get all this from your local market. Oregano. And he wants barbecue sauce. But he's making his own, so he can do whatever he wants. But this is also from BJ's. This one's pretty good. Well, actually, you could give that review. Is it good?
It's damn good.
Okay, tell us more.
It's good.
See, now it's time to get on. You want to get on, y'all. All right, so we are going to start. I'm going to fast forward it, and we're going to take it from here. Bye. straighten you out a little bit. Oh yeah. All right, so we fast forwarded that segment so to show you how ours came out. I'm gonna take a picture as well, but we just finished. We're gonna put it in the oven and we're gonna bring it back out. I mean, it's not much of a competition because like we have the same ingredients for the most part. He just put barbecue sauce on his, but I believe my presentation looks a little bit better. What do you think?
Mine looks better. Sorry.
All right, guys, so you be the judge. Which pizza looks more appetizing? Does it look like it's my pizza that looks more appetizing? Going now, it's time for paint and sip, but we gotta finish the pizzas first. So it's gonna be a combo. You'll see me going back and forth between the pizzas and then the paint and sip, but I wanted to show you guys how I set up. This is gonna be in fast forward, or maybe not. I don't know, maybe I shouldn't, but anyway, I'm gonna put you guys here. My husband is setting up the pizzas right now. So I'm gonna set up this paint and sip. So those are the two tables that we'll be using. I just put 2 bar stools right there. I'll be back in a second. All right, guys, I got all the stuff. Okay, I'm gonna set up the easels. You can do this, anybody can. Just go to Michael's and you can get all the stuff. See where this goes. All right, just gonna put that up there for right now. It has some little chain. I'm not sure where that goes, but I'll let my husband figure that out. He's the one that built them. Right now, I'll let it hang like that. And like I told you, we're doing the black canvas. So the black canvas is going to be black and gold theme. So this should be fun. Definitely got to have all your brushes. And I'm going to go get the paint and the water and all that stuff. So now we're gonna go switch back to the pizza. I'll come back to setting this up after. It's so much going on. All right, guys, pizza's ready. Counter's clean. Gonna come over here. We're not gonna eat at the dining table today, but here's the end results. So mine's looking good. His looks good as well. So let us know which one you would prefer. Number 1 or number 2. Thank you so much. All right, guys, so now we're gonna start the paint and sip. Be sure to watch part 2.